Hey guys, Joshua Peterson, Peterson Electric. This video is about why my breakers won't accept arc faults. This is in a newer home, so I think this house is about 6 years old. Here's a reason why arc faults can trip. Here's a prime reason. So this is, first of all, just a garage, 3-car garage. Main panel's right there. Okay, if I go up above here in the attic above the garage, if you can see all the Christmas items. Okay, there's an attic hole right over in here that crosses to go to the house to get back in there. And that's just kind of the upstairs garage. But here's a very prime example. As I drop down below the floor, can you see that? This is the hard wall dry ceiling right here. So it's a hard lid. And then right here, and they didn't put any 2x4s. You're supposed to space a 2x4 right here to give it 1 inch and follow that. He's got literally coming out of that panel about probably 25 to 30 home runs coming up, coming across. And then you can see right here as they walk, see how that's starting to pinch that wire? And guess what? You're not going to be able to find that easy. That is going to be a really, really hard find. So you'll end up tracing it to the first outlet or switch or light or smoke detector, and then you'll know it's coming back, and then you won't be able to figure out why it's pinched because of all that weight up here with their stuff. So I'm going to advise him to take all that down, put some 2x4 runners next to that wire, and then put the OSB board on top of that. And that's actually code. I believe it speaks upon it right around probably chapter 300 under your wiring methods when you're drilling your post and your beams. It also talks about your attic space not to be closer than 36 inches. I typically try to stay 5 foot away as a rule of thumb. Just avoid that attic hole and then run your 2x4 runners. But when this house was built, it looked like he brought his sheets of 4x8s up there and put them up. But now he's gonna have to take those up, scoot them aside, put down some 2x4s. Otherwise, he's gonna end up with pinch wires. And if you don't get arc faults like this panel doesn't have, he's got a couple here. It'll end up probably not sensing it as well. But if you imagine that pinching without an arc fault, and you got an old panel, that's a fire hazard right on the wood. Anyways, hopefully it helps you out. Thanks, guys.